Hello there, it is Tuesday, the 16th of November. So for our Do Now, we're going to start out with a couple of questions. What are artificial reefs? And how do they help or hurt the ocean? We talked a lot about this yesterday. We talked about it. You guys helped research information and share that out with your friends. So I think you're pretty good with question 1 there. But question 2 is, which of these human activities is most likely to cause the excessive growth of phytoplankton in the world's oceans? So what's going to likely cause excess, lots of growth? The use of chemical fertilizers that are carried by runoff to rivers, the logging of old growth forests which results in erosion, the spraying of chemical herbicides that result in carbon dioxide in the air, or the mining of fossil fuels which requires digging underground tunnels. Phytoplankton. Plankton. Oh wait, we talked about that. Phytolite, that's a light photosynthetic plant growing in the ocean. So that's a plant. Ooh, excessive. Yeah, chemical fertilizers, you're right. You know, we use them. And then that can cause that algae to keep blooming. So right here is today's learning target. I'm going to review all concepts learned in the ecology unit, including competition in ecosystems, long and short-term environmental changes, natural selection, and human dependency on the ocean. Your success criteria is that you can learn how to describe how organisms compete for biotic and abiotic factors in an ecosystem, explain natural selection, and recognize human impact on ocean systems. So that's what we're going to do today. Sounds like a lot, but we got it. So, little brain teaser. Anna recorded the growth of several backyard plants last summer. She noted the amount of sunlight and the water needed for each plant. This summer, there were strict water restrictions because of a drought. Using the information below in Anna's chart, which of the following is most likely result for her backyard drought? Well, okay, drought means lack of water, and it's summer. Okay, lots of light. So the sedges and rosemary will compete for the light resources. Sedges and rosemary. Wait. Here's what light resources. No, we're not competing for light. Only the fountain grass and the Easter redbud will survive the drought. Well, fountain grass, they need a lot of water and part shade. Probably not. The fountain grass will likely replace the no, again, look at that. Fountain grass needs a lot of water and we're droughting. The sedges and the honey mesquite will be the only to survive. Probably because their water requirements are very low and low. All right. So in class today, you're going to rotate through some station review with your assigned group. If you're not with us, we're trying to come up with an alternate assignment. We'll let you know if we got one. Otherwise, it won't be there. So for our friends together, you'll do them both in one station at 7 minutes per station. If you finish early, you can work on your Unit 4 vocab from your classroom folder. And here is the answer ticket. We want to make sure that you check through all those answers to make sure you got them, ask your table mates, and go from there. All right. Have a great day.